Hello everyone, welcome to TM Family Cooking. Today I will show you how to cook bread called Castella. It is a dessert that comes from Nagasaki, Japan, and it's kind of like a cake and kind of like a bread, but very tasty. My American friends told me it is unlikely any cake in the US. It is much less sweet and has little fat, so they feel it is a healthier food for adults. The name Castella is not Japanese. It comes from Portuguese. Merchants from Portugal in the 16th century brought a bread called pão de Castella, or bread from Castilla, which is a part of Spain. The Japanese took the recipe and made it less sweet to fit their tasty. I think you will like this one. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Here they are. Here I have 5 eggs and all-purpose flour, milk, and sugar, and oil. This is normal cooking oil, but don't use olive oil or sesame oil. That's the flavor too strong. And I have here vanilla extract and salt. That's it. Let's start by separating the white from yolk. Be sure to use a very clean glass bowl for the white. The meringue will not fluff with any oil, and plastic bowls are hard to get all the oil out. Add in the salt, vanilla extract, add in the oil and milk to the yolk and mix. Vanilla extract is optional, but I like the flavor. Sift flour into the yolk mix. Sifting helps to break apart the flour and makes the mixing easier. It should flow evenly from the spoon. Start the meringue at lower speed and get a few bubbles going. After the white is bubbled, you can add the first 1/3 of sugar. Sugar is a stabilizer that is needed to keep the bubbles from falling apart, but too much sugar at the start can stop the bubbles. After it is fluffy like this, add the second 1/3 of sugar. And at the end, add the last 1/3 of sugar. Fold in 2 scoops of meringue, just a light folding action. Don't mix too hard or you will lose the bubbles. This first step is get the sugar stabilizer evenly mixed into the yolk mix. Then add the rest of the meringue and folding gently. Bake at 320 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, then decrease the heat to 275 Fahrenheit. The lower temperature helps to make the brown top layer without burning. After another 20 minutes, it is done. The time depends on oven size and how much you make. Let's cut and enjoy some. Look at here. Wow, it's so beautiful, right? I will show you. Let's try small piece. I will show you how spongy it is. Ooh. Ooh. And then I use this version very low fat because I use it only like 1% fat milk and then no butter in it, so very healthy snack. Wow, it's very soft and not that too sweet. I think this is also good for baby. It's very melty into your mouth, and it's just like easy melt in the mouth. Wow. Also good for maybe just a simple breakfast with milk, and this is Castella. It's really tasty, like not that strong, and then natural, that flour and egg flavor. It's really good. Try at home. Thank you for watching my video, and then don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye. 안녕.